Hey, this is Josh with West Michigan Property Solutions, Holland's premier home buyer. So let's just take a second and be honest. No one's exempt from hard times. The truth is, sometimes people go through divorce. Sometimes people go into foreclosure. Sometimes people inherit houses that they can't afford to maintain. Sometimes people have vacant houses that need too many repairs and they can't afford them before they sell. If you're experiencing that or anything else, we want to be your solution. Our number one focus is to be the number one property problem solution for local residents. So we can help. And if you need our help, you only need to do one thing. Just fill out the form. It's really easy. It's either going to be right here or up here, depending if you're on the phone or not. Just fill out the form. We'll get in contact with you. We'll listen to your problem, provide some options, and be the solution to your problem, because that's what we do. So fill out the form and we'll talk to you soon.